back to my channel. Welcome back. We're back again to share very important information, breaking news from the office of Chief of the Staff. And this news will gladden your heart in case you have not seen that Finnish local investigator says PM Simon Ekpa has nothing to do with terrorism. PM Simon Ekpa lead Biafran government in Ezra and de facto government in homeland, not criminal IPOB. President Tinubu, Christopher Musa, Godswill Akpabio, and Nigerian state is the real terrorist. That is from the Biafran Chief of the Staff, Ngozi Orabeze, with a very, very powerful, mind-blowing, revelation and in breaking news from Finland or Finnish platforms. And this information is something that you can also, research for it, and it is very, very clear that after a series of investigation and interrogation and whatever that they have done, trying to know if the link against Biafrans are actually true or not. But he find out that there's nothing like that. PM, of course, we all know that this is a garbage. They're just trying to, play a dirty game, trying to lure people to nonsensical things they have been doing, but it's not going to work. I love this lady so much. I'm being honest. Ngozi Orabeze, she is one in a million. So far, so good. She has been very, very, she possessed good spirit, radical spirit of motivation, encouragement. When people were down, she was like, did you listen to her broadcast? Did you listen to her speech? Can you be honest? What again are you looking for in a leader? PM is blessed with every manner of thing that he need or reference need to advance this cause. Remember, this is not about calling for war. Nobody preach for killing of anybody. Self-defense is all we care for. If you doubt me, go and check the news from Sahara Reporter and Nigerian media. They carried it, of course, but they are not also intensifying on that because it has to do with Igbo. That as Peter Mba was celebrating the interrogation going on in Finland with PM and Biafran government in exile, Peter Mba was celebrating. You know who Peter Mba is? The so-called governor in Enugu State, trying to, leap where he did not sow, trying to reap where he did not sow, and people have also said that the accusation, one of the things they tag against Biafran Prime Minister is that somebody, stole money and deposited it in an account of the government, their donation account, and the money is about $100 million. That's what I saw. But I don't know how true is that. And it was meant to understand that Peter Mba, according to the news or the rumor, is that Nigerian government, worked with Peter Mba to send that money and just to claim that somebody, hack or scam them and the money, was tracked or traced to account. Therefore, they find out that this person is funding, criminal gang and terrorism. Funny enough, people who own 7 government and have 7 different terrorist group is one tagging other people that they are that they are terrorists. What an irony. Anyway, let me go through some comments on this because Biafrans are happy, jubilating. That's why I want you to be happy, of course. You remember when I said that this pain will turn out to be joy. And it's not happening. Gradually, people are now paying attention. Even US, and after celebrating, they are now coming to a realization that PM was not even arrested. But they were all shouting. And I don't blame them because normally, if Nigeria is a country that they work, national TV or media platform, mega platform like in Nigeria, like Al Jazeera, not Al Jazeera, Arise and Channels TV and rest of them, they will not come out to write and post that PM was arrested and that he's facing charges, or that he's imagine people who don't even who were not able to verify whether PM was arrested or not, but they were busy discussing on national TV how to extradite him Hi, if these people know how shameful they look in outside the world, outside Nigeria, they will be hiding their faces. It is very, very bad. A country that cannot, verify information before you post it out there. Many of them, the so-called dedicated ones, are exposing themselves. Anyway, let me start with this comment from CMDR. I am sure you know the US and Nigeria have an extradition treaty. Be careful. That is someone talking to Ngozi Rabeza. Okay, they have. You don't you think they have the treaty? It means that you're gonna send it without going to court. You see how some people are good in creating fear or panicking. You have to go through court to prove why you want to extradite the person. America also wants to extradite. What's the name of this cup winner police? The guy that normally buy Igbo with pride. They called him the World Cup winner. That he won a cup for buying Igbo people. Abakari. Abakari was to extradite to US. Has that happened? The answer is no. Cleverly, nothing as trying to use the techniques, because when it comes to scamming and criminality, Nigerian government or Nigerian politicians are very good at that. How many of you remember the case, because of the comment that this person made? Let me just say this before we end this video. How many of you remember the case of Abba Kyari? Because he was inducted with hush puppy, and all of a sudden Nigerian security claimed they caught him with some ahike. And normally you don't extradite somebody that have case in the court of his resident to another country until he finished the court case, or the court that the court case that he's facing in that country where he is. And by so doing, there will be delay, they will delay the time, or probably they're gonna give him 100 years imprisonment or 50 years imprisonment, just to pass time and make sure that America, his case in the US will be also transferred to Nigeria, and he will start the punishment in Nigeria. They understand that in America there's no special room. Okay, like what Very Dark Man exposed about what is the name of this tomboy called Bobrisky. So you don't see that kind of thing in US, and that is why they make sure they keep Abba Kyari in Nigeria, for him to just enjoy life and go out from people's side. Nobody knows about him. He's not even in prison as we speak, but people don't know. People think that he's facing one charge and another. It's a lie. Anyway, thank you so much for your time, and please don't forget to like the video. Tell me what you think about the great news, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.